Hello, my dear friends and leaders in this monumental journey. We are going to be eyewitnesses to changes in our lives that will be extraordinary. 2026 will be different in a great way. This year will give us life changes that will make all of our dreams come true. Mr. Ash Mufareh could have taken the rest of his life just being comfortable and enjoying the successes he has in his business life. He was already financially free, and he didn't need more money. What he wanted and still wants is to take others to where he is. At the pinnacle of success, he has finally been able to do this, and this year, we will be very happy he didn't quit. He and his family have withstood the negative talk and the smearing of his name. He has now placed us in the VictoryWithAsh platform to prepare us for our ultimate dream business. We are moving forward, not back. Those of us who are in tune with his thinking aren't worried when we don't see him. We are excited because we know he is busy working on our dream. So let this year remove any doubts you may have about Mr. Ash Mufareh's character, his loyalty, and his caring heart. Please don't ask questions that only Mr. Mufareh knows the answers to. We don't speculate. We wait. Love all of you.